Why wasn't there a teammate to support Messi when he accelerated with the ball? Keep in mind, Messi was facing the four most expensive defenders in the world at the time. Then, Busquets receives the ball and gently pushes it to Messi. The moment Messi takes possession, the defenders close in rapidly. Messi bursts forward, leaving two defenders in his wake, while his teammates just stand there, staring blankly. Ramos steps up, trying to block Messi's path, but Messi deftly flicks the ball away with his left foot. Albiol lowers his stance, realizing Messi is about to get past him, and tries to use his arms and legs to contain him. But the agile Messi doesn't even give him a chance to foul. They just can't stop Messi. Marcelo gets left behind, helplessly watching Messi's taillights. Ramos stretches out his leg again to block Messi, but as Messi is about to lose his balance, he lifts his right foot and shoots. The ball skims off Ramos's leg and, right under Casillas's watchful eye, sails into the net. You've got to admit, Busquets' seemingly simple pass was the key to Messi's goal. Just how strong was Messi back then? Ask his dawdling teammates and the world's most expensive defensive line who tried to guard him. They know best.